Hey, how's everyone doing? And welcome back to another live. And if you're watching on this replay, welcome back. And yes, I am Israel Navarro from IsraelNavarro.com. And today I'm going to talk to you about two types of consumers and how to get them to buy your product and service. Now, we understand that why your customers, consumers, are the most important thing for your business revenue. This doesn't matter if you have a retail store, to a home-based business, to a online business. It doesn't matter. These are the type of people, especially. Now, this is a broad list. This is a list from 5 to 9 people. I took the two most important, the two most that you need that basically do more than 50% of the revenue. Yes, 50% of the revenue for your business. So these are the few things I want you to know, and I'm going to explain these two customers and how you can get them to stay loyal to you so you can continue building on that base that you have. So here's the first customer, and the first one is the most important one, is your loyal consumer or your loyal customer, however you want to call it. This customer is off the base, is the type of customer that you really have to have in mind. This is the customer that's going to be there from you from day one until the end of your business. You know, I'm not saying your business is running up, but I just want you to know these are the people that are loyal. This is how so you can understand what is a loyal customer is. I'm going to use the example. You have those that are just faithful to Walmart and faithful to Target. If you notice that, and you can see this on social media, oh, look at the loyal customer is going to promote Walmart, and the loyal customer to Target is going to promote Target. So just so you guys to get that perspective, that they're going to be loyal to the brand, they're going to be loyal to your company, they're going to stay true to this. You know, these are the guys that are number one. That's why they're number one. They are the majority of your sales revenue. As long as you keep them a part of your business, you always keep them in mind, that you're going to be considerate. Now, these are also the most important customers because as a salesperson or as a retail store or to an online business, you want people to get your traffic. Well, these loyal customers are the ones that are going to recommend your product and service nonstop. There won't be a day you won't hear them saying, oh, go over here and buy this product. Oh, this is where I get my product. Oh, this is the product I use and it gives me so much benefits. You can come over here and you should use this. Use my link. Blah, blah. Those are those customers. And those are the customers. And, you know, I feel like a lot of people, and especially in the industry that I work with a lot, they're always like, oh, but I don't want to sell products. Well, these are the people you don't really have to sell the products. You sold it to them once. You keep them on the loop and they stay. These are the ones that stay on the rewards program. These are the ones that stay to the loyalty program. They don't question. They don't mind getting the same product monthly for the rest of their lives. These are the ones that will always be and will always have your back to support your brand. So remember, if you know a loyal customer, why not? I'm going to give this challenge out for you today. Type their name down below so you can give them a shout out. Or send him a text and say, thank you for being my loyal customer or loyal consumer. Thank you for all you do. Just send them appreciation posts. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Now, here's the second and most important customers. Is your impulsive customer, your impulsive buyer, your impulsive consumer, how you want to call this. This is the person that you upsell. This is the one you get to sell. These are the ones that, let's say they already bought Nike Air Force Ones in white. Next month comes out in black, and you just sell them like, oh my God, it's black. It's, oh my goodness, it's the greatest thing in God's green earth. And they will buy it from you. They will buy it from you. Now, these are the ones that you have to keep on a specific shopping list. Why? Because these are the customers, while they do not have a shopping list, they do not, they don't go into a store. These are sometimes the guys that goes into a store and they see that it's a sale. They want to capitalize on the sale or on the discount, and they want to know. So what you got to do is figure out A, how to talk to that customer, B, how to make them be interested in the new product that comes out this month, the new service you're offering, or anything, and so they can feel like it's a benefit for them for that month, for them to consume, and they go home happy. This is the other thing. These are the customers you always got to keep on top of. These are the ones you got to follow up on, and when you're following up, always say this. If you notice this, if you notice, because I'm not an impulsive buyer, but if you look at it, all the stores you give your email to are always sending you things telling you, hey, this is the new, this is what you're going to come up to buy, this is what you're getting, this is what you're looking for, blah, 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 blah. So what these emails that you get are for that, or those ads you see on your social media or stuff, is to grab the impulsive buyer attention, pull him in so he can buy. So that way, you can get him on the loops. Now, at times the impulsive buyer can be like a loyalty where they can stay loyal to buying one product, but you always got to keep it fresh for them because they get bored fast. You got to keep it exciting. You got to keep them interested because you do not want them to burn out. So, if you already know someone that is an impulsive buyer, or you are an impulsive buyer, reflect, and you have your own business and you need people to buy your product and service. Figure out what is it that your favorite brand does to get you buying and shopping there all the time so you can do the same on those for your business. Now, this is the challenge for that. If you know someone that always likes to buy and always looking for a new thing to make themselves feel good, look better, or to wear or whatever, send them a text saying, hey, I got the product for you. Just send it like that. When you do that, go right through. Now, here's this thing, and I'm going to close it. Now, how do I get people from just watching these kind of videos interested in my business? Well, here's the key secret. You're going to go onto my website, IsraelNavarro.com. You're going to sign up for my Insta Profit Magnet. Yes, my Insta Profit Magnet for free, absolutely free, zero cost and everything, because you can get an email automatically back with that book attached. You go in, you download that book, you start reading it, and you get to learn some tips as well as how to grow your Instagram profile. So you guys can stay in the loop as well. So if you like that and you want to start making money, especially here on Instagram, don't forget, you go onto my website, IsraelNavarro.com, put your name, your email, sign up today so you can get that free training as of right now. So thank you so much for tuning into this Instagram Live, and thank you once again for watching this on replay. For those who are watching it on replay, I'll see you tomorrow on our next video. Take care and God bless you.